Women are better investors. Here's why. Studies show that women consistently outperform men in the stock market. They tend to be more patient and less likely to make impulsive decisions. A Fidelity study found that women's investment portfolios outperform men's by an average of 0.4% annually. This might seem small, but it compounds significantly over time. Why? Because women take a disciplined, long-term approach. They focus on steady growth and are less swayed by market volatility. They're not chasing quick returns or trying to time the market. Instead, they prioritize research and informed decision-making. Let's explore why women make such great investors and how their unique strategies lead to success. We will also highlight some top female investors in India who have made significant impacts in the financial world. Rekha Jhunjhunwala, the Queen of Dalal Street. Known for her sharp investment strategies and keen market insights, Rekha has become a household name in the financial world. Rekha's journey is one of resilience and remarkable investment acumen. She has navigated the volatile stock market with a steady hand and an unyielding spirit. With a net worth exceeding 50,000 crore rupees, she embodies the potential of women in finance. Her portfolio includes Titan, a company she has believed in for years, Tata Motors, CRISIL, and Canara Bank. Each of these investments showcases her ability to spot long-term value and growth potential. Rekha's story is about carrying forward a legacy and thriving in the stock market. She has not only maintained but also expanded her family's investment empire. Her journey inspires countless women aspiring to make their mark in investing. Rekha Jhunjhunwala stands as a beacon of success and empowerment in the world of finance. Dolly Khanna, the small-cap crusader. Dolly Khanna is known for astute small-cap investing with a net worth exceeding 600 crore rupees. Her journey in the stock market is nothing short of inspirational. Her investment style is characterized by meticulous research and a deep understanding of business fundamentals. She spends countless hours analyzing companies before making any investment decisions. Successful investments include Rain Industries, Butterfly Gandhimathi, and KCP Limited. These companies have seen significant growth under her keen eye. Dolly's story proves that with dedication and research, women can pioneer in any field. Her achievements continue to inspire many aspiring investors. Chapter 3. Shivani Tejas Trivedi, the Institutional Investor. Shivani manages billions of dollars in assets as the head of Indian equity at a leading global investment firm. Her investment philosophy focuses on quality companies with strong fundamentals and a sustainable competitive advantage. Shivani's journey inspires young women to break the glass ceiling in finance. Chapter 4. Sangeeta S., the Mid-Cap Maverick. Sangeeta has built a portfolio worth over 200 crore rupees by focusing on mid-cap companies. Her investment style focuses on strong fundamentals, sound management, and long-term growth. Sangeeta's story proves that with the right approach, anyone can achieve financial freedom through investing. Chapter 5. Ankita Vasishtha, the Venture Capitalist Trailblazer. Ankita is the founder of India's first female-focused venture capital fund. Her fund invests in early-stage tech startups founded or co-founded by women. Ankita's journey is inspiring and impactful, paving the way for future female investors and entrepreneurs. Her story reminds us that women are at the forefront of financial innovation. As we celebrate these incredible women, let's remember their stories represent a growing movement of women taking control of their financial futures. Do you know a woman who is great at investing? Tag her in the comments. Let's inspire more women to join the world of investing. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread financial empowerment among women. Happy Women's Day!